Can you actually die from holding in a sneeze? Turns out, yeah, kinda. Here's why. A sneeze is basically your body firing air at over 100 miles per hour. Normally, it blasts through your nose and mouth, but when you hold it in, clamping your mouth shut and pinching your nose, the pressure has to go somewhere, so it bounces back inside you. Most of the time, the worst you'll get is some pain or ringing in the air, but doctors have seen what happens when the pressure finds a weak spot in the body. One man in England, for example, he tried to hold in a sneeze and ended up tearing a hole in his windpipe. In another case, this guy suppressed the sneeze and triggered an aneurysm to burst in his brain.